Okay, so this is our entire application architecture where we have three layers. The first one is the presentation tier, the web browser on a laptop or a phone. Then we have a logic tier where we have the forms and the web server, and the data tier where the MySQL database is here. So in this diagram actually shows the basic structure of the entire application, which actually divided into three layers. Let me just open my cursor. Okay, see there's three layers in here. First one, the presentation layer, which we call front end. This is what the user interacts with, usually through the web browser on a laptop or phone, and it displays the information to the users and collect the input info form. Like suppose you go to a website where you want to insert some information, and after that you verify if the information has been inserted or not. So you will get the information on your PC, laptop, phone, or whatever you're using. Those are called the front end, the presentation tab. After that, we have the logic tier. So this is the middle layer where all the processing happens. Like suppose you send some requests to the database. This is the backend where all the process happen. It handles tasks like the forms, processing the user inputs, and running the application logic on a web server. You can also think of it as the brain that connects the front end and the database. At the last, we have the database tab. This is where the actual data is stored. In this case, we have the MySQL database that store the information. The logic tier talks to the database for fetch or update data, then sends back to the presentation tier. So it will send the request from the presentation tier to the database. In the middle, the logic tier will apply all the business logic and other stuff. Then it will take the data from here, then it will give the data to the presentation tier. So this is how the entire application works. So each layer works together to make sure that your apps run smoothly, and the user only see the presentation tier, but the logic tier and the data tier are working in the background to make everything function properly.